Hello everyone. Today we're gonna take a look on HeyGen. You go to heygen.com and then once you create your account that is for free, jump to the photo to video with Avatar 4. Just go ahead and create the video. Let's go ahead and upload the photo. We're gonna do a chat GPT photo. So real quick, we're gonna create an image and then we're gonna say we want a close shot of a female model in Milano or just Milan. All right, once that is generating, we're gonna upload the photo here and then we're gonna put a script here. For the script, I'm gonna call Anthropic. I'm gonna call Anthropic right now to my computer. There you go. So make a script for 10-second video of an AI avatar mentioning she is an avatar. All right, there you go. So here Claude Sonnet 4 is giving us the script. So I'm gonna have that one here. I'm gonna have ChatGPT here. Perfect. I'm gonna download that. I'm gonna upload it here right away. Then we're gonna go do the scripting. And there you go. He says that there is too many words. How about that? Then you go ahead and you select a voice. Let's find one that we like. You can also filter it. So let's do female conversational adult.
Hey there.
All right, once you have selected your voice, as you can see here, I go ahead and I generate it. So let's actually do it portrait mode and let's generate it.
Hi there. I'm Sarah, your AI avatar assistant. I'm here to help make your digital interactions more personal and engaging. Whether you need information, support, or just want to chat,